everyone, in today's tutorial, we'll use the advanced video settings in Pixelmator Pro to create an eye-catching Instagram story with two videos playing one after another and a moving background. Let's start by creating a new document. On the right of the template chooser, you'll find the presets browser with a number of built-in image size presets. In the browser, click the social category, choose Instagram Story, then click Create. Now let's add a video that we'll use as the background for the story. To do that, simply drag and drop the video to the top of the layer sidebar. To resize the video from the center, press and hold the Option key, then drag any of the layer handles. Now let's blur the video. To do that, choose the Effects tool by pressing the F key on your keyboard. Click Add Effect, then choose Gaussian Blur. To make the effect stronger, set the radius to 18 pixels. Then, click the disclosure arrow next to the Gaussian blur effect and turn on Preserve Transparency. This will stop the effect from creating transparent areas around the edges of the layer. Now, let's add a shape that will work as our video frame and clip some videos into the shape. To add a shape, choose the Shapes tool by pressing the U key on your keyboard. In the Shapes browser, you'll find collections of built-in shapes. We'll choose the Splatter 3 shape from the Organic category. Simply drag and drop the shape from the Shapes browser onto the canvas. Again, to resize the shape from the center, press and hold the Option key, then drag one of the layer handles. If you also want to rotate it, press and hold the Command key, then drag any of the layer handles. And finally, to move the shape while using the Shape tool, press and hold the Command key, then drag the shape. Now let's add some videos and clip them into the shape. First, drag and drop one video to the top of the layer sidebar. Next, clip the video into the shape by creating a clipping mask. If you're not familiar with clipping masks, think of the shape as your frame and the video as something you put into the frame. To create a clipping mask, press and hold the Option key, then click between the shape and the video layer. To resize the video, choose the Arrange tool. Then zoom out and drag one of the layer handles. Our video is 19 seconds long, so let's make it shorter. To set a specific time when the video should end playing, open the video editing settings, then type 5 in the text field on the right. Now, if you want to play two videos one after another, you can do that by changing their start and end behavior settings. Because we want another video to play after the river hike video, let's hide the river hike video when it ends. To do that, click the disclosure arrow next to Advanced Settings and in the End Behavior pop-up menu, choose Hide Video. Now let's add another video to the composition. Again, to do that, drag and drop the video to the top of the layer sidebar. Let's clip it into the shape by pressing and holding the Option key, then clicking between the video layers. Resize and position the video if you need to. Now let's set a specific time at which the video should start playing. To do that, open the video editing settings once again and type 8 in the text field on the left. Now, to make this video play right after the river hike video, let's delay its playback. To do that, in the video editing settings, set the playback delay to 5 seconds. 5 seconds is the exact duration of the river hike video, so when it ends, the taking pictures video will start playing. When you delay playback, it enables the Start Behavior setting. In the Start Behavior pop-up menu, you can set the visibility of the video layer when it isn't playing. To hide this video while the first video is playing, in the Start Behavior settings, choose Hide Video. Feel free to play around with the advanced video editing settings. You can create many kinds of multi-video compositions by looping, bouncing, or holding the first and last frames of your videos. Finally, let's check how the video composition looks by zooming in and clicking play. That looks great. We've created a multi-video Instagram story with a moving frame. Now we'll also adjust the colors of the video and add some text to the composition to create a beautiful duotone story. Let's start by creating a color adjustments layer. This way we'll apply some color adjustments to the entire design. At the top of the layer sidebar, click the Add Layer button and choose Color Adjustments. Now in the Tool Options pane, turn on the LUT adjustment. Open the LUT pop-up menu. Here you'll find many built-in LUTs you can use for adjusting the colors of your videos and images. In the duotone category, choose blue-yellow. The video looks a little too dark, so let's increase its exposure and brightness. In the lightness adjustment, set the exposure to 30% and the brightness to 12%. Also, let's add some grain. To do that, scroll to the bottom of the Tool Options pane and turn on the grain adjustment. To add subtle grain, lower the size to 15% and the intensity to 25%. And finally, let's add some text. To do that, press the T key to open the Type tool. For this particular Instagram story, we'll use the Archivo semi-expanded font with the typeface set to extra bold and the size set to 105 pixels. To change the color of the text, click the color wheel and set the color to D2, E7, F9. Finally, click anywhere on the canvas and type Venture into the Unknown. And that's it! You can use this design to create future stories by replacing the videos with any other videos or images. If you like this tutorial, you can check out our channel for more Pixelmator Pro videos on all kinds of image and video editing topics. Thanks for watching.